In this video, I will show you step by step how you can download and install Fortnite to your laptop or PC just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. So let's get started. As you can see, I have Fortnite over here. I can just click in a library. If I click over here, it's gonna take me to this page, and as you can see, I have this option over here to install Fortnite to my laptop. I can just click on install and Fortnite will be installed to my laptop, and then I can go and start playing Fortnite game. Okay, so for you, if you want to download Fortnite to your laptop, go to your Google Chrome like this, search for Fortnite, click on the first link over here. So just click on the first link and you will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. Okay, what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on download. Okay, click on download and you will be directly in this page over here. Scroll down, you should see over here Epic. Okay, Epic Games Store. Click on Epic Games Store and it's gonna take you to this page over here. Click on continue, just click on continue. Okay, and it's gonna take you again to this next page. And it's gonna take you to this next page, as you can see. Okay, what you need to do next, click on download. Okay, and what you will do next, let me show you. And as you can see, I'm gonna stop this. You will download Epic installer to your laptop. This is the first step, guys. Okay, so I already have Epic installer download to my laptop, as you can see over here. So just click here. If you didn't find this, click over here on this 3 points, click on downloads. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this page. Scroll down and as you can see, I already have Epic installer download to my laptop. Click on show in Finder. Okay, like this, and it's gonna take you to this page to your laptop. Okay, so click on this Epic installer and click on open. Okay, so just click on open, and as you can see, we'll be directly in this page, Epic Games Launcher. Drag the Epic Games Launcher icon to the application folder. So what you will do, you will just drag this Epic Game Launcher to your application. Keep clicking and put this application here like this. Okay, and it will be installed to your laptop. So I already have it in my laptop, and what you will do next after you finish, go to your laptop. Okay, and you should see Epic Game Launcher here. Okay, so just click on Epic Game Launcher and it's gonna take you to this page. So let me show you. Okay, it's gonna take you to this home page. Let's go to the first page. It's gonna take you to this home page. Okay, what you will do next, click on the search for Fortnite. Okay, so just search for Fortnite, click on the first link, Fortnite here, and it's gonna take you to this page. Okay, as you can see, what you need to do next, click on in library. It's gonna take you again to this page. Click over here on install and choose install location. Okay, I'm gonna just keep using this one and click on install, and here you go, it started installing. Okay, if you click over here on download, you should see your Fortnite it started installing. Okay, as you can see, it will take a few minutes. If you have good network, it will take just few minutes from your to be installed. Then you will go and click on Fortnite. It will be in your laptop, and you can start playing Fortnite in your laptop. Okay, so that's how you can download and install Fortnite to your laptop or PC. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and I'm gonna answer your question.